how to find Sound ID on Roblox. So first open up your browser. Once that's opened up, just search for roblox.com. Wait for it to load, and then on the top navigation bar right here, just click on the create button right there, and it will redirect you to the creator hub. And once you're there, you just need to simply scroll down till you see the browse to store option right there. Then click on view items, and it will redirect you right here. Then click audio on the list of things right here. So click on audio. Once you're there, you could just scroll down, or you could also pick genres, vibes, sound effects if you want, or you could also go to the trending stuff. So let's say I want to use this. You simply need to click on the arrow button right here on the right side, then click on more info. Once you're there, here on the top navigation or search bar, you will see a number on the URL. So that's basically the sound ID of that particular audio. So what you need to do is just simply copy it. So only the numbers, you don't need to copy this slash. So once you're done with that, let's say you could now save it, let's say to Notepad. So just simply paste it right there. And as you can see, you now have the sound ID. And that's how you basically find the sound ID on Roblox.